In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital downloads in Wix. We'll start by opening your Wix dashboard. First, go to the Wix website, sign into your account, and open the website where you want to sell your digital products. Once you're inside the dashboard, the next thing you need to do is make sure Wix Stores is added to your site. Head over to Apps, search for Wix Stores, and click Add to Site if it's not already installed. This gives you the tools you need to create products, accept payments, and manage orders. After that, go to Store Products in your dashboard and click New Product. When Wix asks what kind of product you want to create, choose Digital Product. This is the option designed for files customers can download after purchase, rather than physical items that need shipping. Now it's time to fill in your product details. Add a clear product name, then write a detailed description so customers understand exactly what they're buying. Upload a product image or cover graphic to make the listing look polished and professional. Then set your product price and include any additional information or instructions that might help the buyer, such as what the file includes or how it should be used. Next, upload the actual digital file. In the digital product settings, click Upload File, choose the file you want to sell, such as a PDF, zip, MP3, or another supported format, and wait for the upload to finish. Once it's done, save your changes so everything is attached properly to the product. If needed, you can also configure optional product settings. This includes adding variants if your digital product comes in different versions, setting download limits, and customizing the product page layout and display settings so the page matches the look and feel of your site. From there, set up your payment methods. Go to Settings, then Accept Payments, connect your preferred payment provider, complete any required verification, and save your payment settings. This step is essential because customers won't be able to complete their purchase until payments are fully connected. You should also customize the purchase experience. Edit your checkout page settings, configure the confirmation emails that are sent after a purchase, and make sure customers receive access to their download automatically after payment. Before going live, preview the product page. Open it up and check the images, description, pricing, and download information carefully. If anything looks off, make adjustments now. When everything looks good, click Publish in the Wix editor and wait for your updates to go live. Finally, visit your live store and test a purchase if possible. Make sure the download link is delivered correctly after payment and confirm that the file downloads without any issues. That's it. Your digital download product is now ready to sell in Wix.